How to get credit card for Discord Nitro. If you are trying to get a free credit card or some kind of credit card for your Discord Nitro, you first have to go ahead and open up your Discord application. Just make sure that you're logged in. Once you open up the app, you can head over to the user settings, and then from here you'll be able to see Nitro. In order to purchase Discord Nitro, you will have to add a credit card. So here is a basic plan and a boosted plan. So if you do this, you can select your payment method from here and click on select. Now on your payment method, you could use your card or add your credit card. Now in this case, what you want to do is go ahead and search for Skrill, hit enter. You're going to have to go ahead and sign up for a Skrill card. So click on register, or if you already have an account, sign in. And after you've done that, you should be able to get a free credit card from here. So go ahead and open it up and log into your account. Once you log in, you will get a credit card here. Just enter your login credentials and then get inside your account. And you can use that credit card here to get your Discord Nitro. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next one.